Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope so you all will be fine, inshallah. Previously, we were discussing Unit 4, that is Forest. Today, we will continue the same topic and today we are going to discuss types of forests in Pakistan. We are fortunate that we are having different types of forests in Pakistan. Today we are going to discuss the names of these forests, the regional distribution, description and importance. First we will discuss the names of forests, for example, Alpine Forest, Coniferous Forest and their species as well. Then we will discuss about the regional distribution of these forests. Regional distribution means that which are the areas where we can find these forests. Either some forests are located in mountainous areas, plain areas, desert areas or in coastal areas. After that, we will learn about the description of these forests. Description means that how they look like or what are the important features of these forests or how they are adapted to their environment. So in description, we will discuss the adaptation of different kinds of forests. So adaptation also means that how these forests survive in specific climatic conditions, means that how these forests bear the severe climatic conditions or a specific amount of precipitation or desert conditions. So how they adapted to their environment, that is their adaptation, and this adaptation give a specific feature to these forests. So adaptations are special features that allow a plant or animal to live in a particular place or habitat or climatic conditions. For example, trees of mountainous areas have different growth and species as compared to plain areas or desert areas. Pakistan is such a country which is having different climatic conditions. These climatic conditions favor the growth of different kinds of forests. So Pakistan is having variety of forests in different areas. Like we are having different types of forests as alpine forest, coniferous, tropical thorn forests or ruck, subtropical scrub forest, riverine or bela forest, mangrove forest, irrigated forest, and these forests having different species and they are located at different locations. Students, now we will discuss the distribution of these types of forests in Pakistan. This map is showing us that where different types of forests can be found. Here is a key. The key is showing that alpine forests are located in northern areas of Pakistan because pink color is telling us about the location of these forests. Then next are coniferous forests, that is being shown with green color, and we can see that coniferous forests are found in mountainous areas of KPK and Gilgit-Baltistan, and these coniferous forests are also found in some western parts of Pakistan and western mountains also. Then subtropical scrub forests can be seen with the orange color, and these forests are found in some parts of upper Punjab Upper Indus Plain, northern parts of Punjab, and KPK, Balochistan. Then you can see mangrove forests are located in coastal areas of Pakistan, of Sindh and Balochistan. Next are desert vegetation. The desert areas are being shown with yellow color. After that you can see riverine or bela forest. These are the irrigated forests or protection forests. Riverine or bela forests are protection forests. And we can see these forests on the banks of river, specifically on the banks of river Indus in lower Indus plain. Then irrigated plantations are being shown with dots and numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and you can see number 1 is showing Changamanga, it is near Lahore. Then number 2, 3 Chichavatni, Hanewal, Bhavalpur, Thal, Taunsa Beraj, Gutu Beraj and Hyderabad. So through this map you can see the distribution of different types of forests are located in different areas of Pakistan. Alpine forests are found in the extreme north of Pakistan. The meaning of word alpine is mountain. So these are the forests of highlands or mountainous areas. We can see these forests in districts of Chitral, Deep and Kohistan in Gilgit-Baltistan. Now we will discuss the adaptation of alpine forests. These types of forests can survive in severe climatic conditions where temperature is very low. So the trees of these types of forests have stunted growth due to low temperature and less sunlight. Their roots spread sideways on thin soil to absorb more nutrition and to have better grip on the ground, because the soil is very thin in these areas. Normally, upward branches to attain more sunlight because they try to adapt to the severe weather conditions. These forests is important because they provide fuel wood in these areas. Coniferous forests are also forests of mountainous areas, but they are located on less height as compared to alpine forests. First, we'll discuss about the regional distribution or example of areas of these mountainous forests. In northern areas, they are found specifically in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. We can see in Abbottabad, Mansehra, Kohistan, Shangla and Sawar. Then in Punjab, in Rawalpindi, Islamabad and Murree, and Quetta and Kalat division of the Balochistan Plateau. If we discuss the adaptation of coniferous forests, we can see that northern areas of Pakistan receive plenty of rainfall. This high amount of rainfall is very much supportive to the growth of evergreen forests which can survive in low temperature. These coniferous forests are conical in shape. Their sloping branches prevent snow accumulation. Their small, thick, leathery and needle-shaped leaves check excessive transpiration in these areas. We can see that there is less tree fall, and that means less humus formation is there because the process of decay is very slow because of the low temperature. You can take help of figure 4.10 from your book to read about the coniferous trees and their adaptation in cold climate. Coniferous forests are very important because they are a good source of timber for making furniture and boxes. The wood quality in these forests is very high. So they are also a source of environmental protection because they conserve soil and they help in checking flood by controlling the soil erosion. So these forests are also good breeding grounds and conserving centers for birds, wildlife of different types. Because of all these things that there is conservation of soil, conservation of wildlife, birds, etc. People attracted to these areas, and so this is a big center of tourist attraction, and these forests are also helping to promote tourism in Pakistan. These forests are also adding scenic beauty of this area, and they provide a good view of greenery in these areas of Pakistan. Different types of valuable tree species can be seen in coniferous forests of Pakistan like spruce, pine, fir, lard, cedar, hemlock, etc. These types of tree species of coniferous forests are highly valuable for the economic support of the country. Student, this is time to solve the worksheet. This is our worksheet number 3 about the topic the types of forests. Question number 1 is about the given picture, that is of a forest. And part 1 of question number 1 is enlist the different types of forests found in Pakistan. You will name different kinds of forests found in Pakistan like alpine forests, coniferous forests, etc. Then question number 2 is about the given map, that is the map of Pakistan. Part 1 is write down the distribution of forests with the help of map given in your book by completing the given key. So this map is also given in your book. You will complete the key with the help of book as well as the video lesson. Like pink color is alpine forest, green color coniferous forest, and so on. You will continue with the same pattern. And if you feel difficulty to type on the Microsoft Word, you can write down the numbering or the alphabets with the key, like A for pink color, P for pink color, and you will write P alpine forest, then green G coniferous forest, then subtropical scrub forest orange O. In this way you can type or you can write on paper or on your computer as you feel comfortable or easy. Then next question is enlist the irrigated plantation mentioned on map. These irrigated plantations are mentioned on your map as well. Like number 1 is Changamanga, number 2 is Chichapatni, then number 3 Hanewal, and etc. Next question is about alpine forests. Name the areas where alpine forests are found. You will write down the names of areas over here, like example of areas, northern areas, Chitral, Gir Kohistan, etc. Next question is write down the description of these types of forests found in Pakistan as well as write down the uses of these forests. You will mention both the description and uses mean importance of these forests. Next question. Coniferous forests are adapted to the severe climatic conditions. Write down the adaptation of these forests to the climate by giving a comprehensive description. So over here you will write about the description of coniferous forest with the help of table, as well as there is a picture on figure 4.10. You can also take help to answer this question of that picture also. Coniferous forests are found in the northern areas of Pakistan. You need to write down the importance of coniferous forests. Over here you will write down about the uses or importance of these forests. Thank you so very much students. Have a very nice day. Allah Hafiz.